If you remember, in the previous episode, we were blown away by the incredible performance of expert bulldozer operators. But that was just the beginning. Up next, these machines are about to take the excitement to a whole new level so thrilling, you won't be able to look away. Oh my God. In the middle of a tractor pull competition, the John Deere engine suddenly exploded, billowing black smoke amidst the chaos of shouting. Leave comment number 1 if you feel excited about this scene.
Down there. Black thing right out. Look at the pistons. Look at the pistons.
This was a real challenge for the excavator, as it had to move down from the high pile of silage. The track slid slightly. The machine body tilted with each step, creating a tense and breathtaking scene. Everyone watching held their breath waiting. Oh my God, that was terrible. This is a testament to the lack of experience in transporting machinery. Watch as the 745S struggles to pull heavy logs over rugged terrain. In front, 2 men stand precariously on the engine, balancing the vehicle to prevent it from rolling off the ground, a sight both daring and spectacular. In video number 2, you saw the power of the excavator crash during transportation. But this time, things were more dramatic. An SK200-1 fell off the trailer, causing an unexpected accident. Fortunately, the PC200-8M0 was able to rescue the truck in time. As the Needles subdivision train approaches, the race between BNSF locomotives begins in full swing. The roaring sound, the crazy speed, the grinding of iron wheels on the rails. Comment 1 to follow more eye-catching things waiting ahead. Next is the scene of transporting chickens by giant specialized vehicles. Each trip carries thousands of chickens. The cages are stacked closely together, creating a bustling scene, both strange and impressive, showing a surprisingly professional scale of operation. In the previous video, we saw a professional chicken transport scene, but this time things got a little more intense, with a chicken truck involved in an accident after a head-on collision. A rescue winch was deployed, hooking and pulling the trailer in a chaotic but technical scene. Not stopping there, the next thing was even more surprising. The T908 cattle truck completed the journey of transporting hundreds of cows. The specialized vehicles glided smoothly, ensuring the absolute safety of the cows, creating a scene that was both large-scale and impressive. Immediately after that, a surprising development, the scene of a large-scale duck transport project appeared before our eyes. Millions of ducks are transported every day by a specialized vehicle system, creating a crowded, lively, and overwhelming scene that is hard to believe. There are many surprises behind. Please watch the whole video.
Liệu thì nào ta ra bánh nhất hả? Liệu qua ra bánh.
One of the Vermeer HG6800TX chip drums is working hard, crushing biomass and wood chips with impressive capacity. With just a few adjustments to the drum, it can serve the entire paper mill as an important link in the chain of exploitation and processing of forest products. If you thought the crusher in the previous video was top-notch, then get ready for this breathtaking rescue. The Viking Crane's Liebherr LTR 1100 crane with a counterweight of over 70,000 pounds, combined with the LPKT 40 and 3 excavators, made for an unforgettable sight. Adrenaline was at its peak when the MAN 75E carrying huge timber got stuck in the deep mud. The wheels were spinning desperately. Then suddenly a tractor appeared, pulling strongly with great force, starting a breathtaking rescue in the muddy ground. In Punjab, a Fiat 640 tractor truck blew the audience away by pulling a heavy trolley. The sheer power lifted the front of the vehicle off the ground, creating a dramatic, breathtaking performance that kept everyone's eyes glued to the moment. In the previous video, Fiat 640 amazed you. This time, the most powerful tractor appeared with a huge 12-meter wooden pull. Showing no less outstanding power, the audience could not help but admire and watch every move with excitement. Can you imagine how difficult it is to clear wood? The largest homemade transfer machine with engine MBV6 engine roaring at full power. Every powerful movement showing superior strength makes everyone amazed. Comment number 1 if you like the power of this car. The excavator was stuck deep in the mud. The tracks were spinning but not moving. After much effort, the rescue machine appeared, pulled the excavator out of the mud, bringing a timely rescue in a scene full of tension and suspense.
Object is get to your done digging on this side. Now time to go up here and get in position. Sometimes you don't. This is the counterweight. See it coming out of there? Success. Lee made it. It has a good content out there. I hope you like it. If you don't,
Thought impossible. The CAT 6015B excavator with its heavy bucket still steadfastly overcomes the challenge. With each powerful, precise movement, this giant machine proves its extraordinary strength in the face of seemingly impossible difficulties. The powerful mechanical show began when the new Komatsu D355A-3 rolled out, showing off its power with upgraded engine and chassis. The roar of the engine, the dozer blade digging deep into the ground. In another location, the Cat D7G bulldozer still roars loudly in the rugged mountains and forests. The sharp blade plows through large rocks, smoke and dust billowing in the harsh sunlight. The sound of metal colliding echoes like the heartbeat of a construction project, opening a path in the middle of the forest. On the other hand, the Case N series is truly impressive, gliding through the swamp like it had no problem. The roar of the engine echoes in the quiet nature, sketching a picture of resilient and strong labor.
Mas se não fosse esse braço dela aí traseiro.
Can you guess what's coming next? Leave your prediction in the comment section below with number 1. The Fiesta pulled the trailer through the twisty curve with the drawbar working hard. The wheels gripped the road. The body leaned but kept its balance. Surprisingly, the trailer did not flip over, creating a thrilling yet impressive scene. The YAMZ 240 monster roared fiercely, transmitting terrible power to the K700A to pull the heavy net. The engine shook the whole field. The giant wheels crushed the ground. The scene was like a giant machine stirring up the wild nature. Wow, it was amazing to see the excavator and the chisel working together in the Himalayas. The sound of metal echoed through the high mountains, Large blocks of stone were chiseled away, sending clouds of dust flying. A majestic scene full of industrial power. Back to heavy haulage, McTran's Mack Superliner Vi 8 truck roars loudly, pulling heavy trailers across rugged terrain. Black smoke billows into the sky. The wheels crush gravel. An impressive scene, demonstrating superior strength and resilience. The artistry is evident when loading a Caterpillar 315 excavator onto a 1969 vintage Peerless lowboy. Every movement is precise and rhythmic. The unloading scene is equally impressive. Each movement is like a performance, captivating in the dusty space. Leave comment number 1 if you are excited by the power of these giant machines. How to unload a bulldozer from a truck with the utmost ease. This is a perfect example. The bulldozer slowly rolls down, the tracks gripping tightly, every movement precise. The scene is smooth, demonstrating skillful technique and experience. Have you ever seen Australian heavy transport cross the Brockman Bridge? 2 Regal transports, a Kenworth T904, and a Western Star Constellation roared across the bridge. The steel flexed, the wheels grinding, creating a majestic and powerful sight up high. A perfect choice. The new equipment transports the excavator with rear wheels and a crane resting on the truck bed. The excavator is firmly fixed, ensuring maximum safety. A modern scene, demonstrating advanced technology and superior transport efficiency. On the top of the steep hill, the excavator carefully installed the drainage pipe. After going down, the machine turned around and slowly moved down the slope, skillfully digging a deep trench. The smoke and dust flew up, showing a scene of hard but effective work. At another location nearby, machinery was lifting the dam with terrible force. The iron frame was broken in half. The sound of metal screeching echoed. The scene was brutal, full of pressure and violent destruction of the structure. Not stopping there, the RH-30O and K continues to demonstrate its superior power. The machine roars fiercely, digging up each large rock at the mining site. The smoke and dust are flying. The scene is majestic, powerful and fierce on the hard rock surface. Can it overcome this challenge? Leave comment number 1 if you believe it can. Despite the rugged terrain, the VIO-80 mini excavator slowly advanced up the narrow ravine. The crawler tracks gripped the rugged rocks. The engine roared like a call of power. The quiet scene suddenly became lively, filled with a resilient spirit. Surprisingly, the IFA W50 unwinder is probably the last piece of equipment still in operation. Despite its age, it still runs steadily every day, the steady sound of its engine echoing in the quiet construction site, a witness to time and durability. In short, this situation leaves many valuable lessons. The bulldozer was suddenly swallowed by the mud pit, slowly sinking under the thick mud. The scene is dangerous and thrilling, reminding us to be careful when working on complex terrain. In another location, he controls the smart excavator to slowly leave the deep lake. The machine is covered with mud. The engine roars softly. The scene is full of technique and ingenuity, showing the flexibility and superior power of the equipment. An interesting detail appears when the Scania hook lifter operates on the 2013 tractor. The machine moves precisely and powerfully under the skillful control of the hand. Olaf Soderberg's footage captures a moment of exquisite engineering and outstanding power. Most impressively, Grove GMK 6300L moves slowly across the vast construction site. The giant crane bends softly. The large wheels crush the ground. The roar of the engine creates a majestic and powerful scene in the busy space. Back to the story. The Timberjack 460 is much more powerful than the 240. The plow digs the forest floor. The crawler crushes rotten wood. The engine sound echoes in the quiet space, creating a majestic and vibrant scene. If you love these machines, don't hesitate to share your feelings by leaving a comment, number 1. Next, let's explore the Komatsu excavator clearing snow at the melting snowfield at the port. The powerful plow blade pushes the thick snow. The roar of the machine echoes in the cold space. The bustling scene shows the effort to overcome the harsh weather. At the climax of the challenge, the Hino Victor and Kobelco SK 210-wheeler trucks were heavily restored and stood still in the middle of the dirt. Despite the efforts of 2 cat loaders to lift them, the excavator trucks stubbornly refused to budge. The scene was tense, demonstrating the power and limits of the machines. The excavator is carefully unloaded from the trolley without using a ramp. Each movement is smooth. The tracks are firmly in contact with the ground. The scene is full of caution and technique, demonstrating the dexterity and safety in operating the machinery. In the demolition scene in Tournus, the Champliot ground shook under the power of the Pennequin and Dem 50 machines. Brick walls collapsed, dust swirled along with the roar of the engines. The scene was magnificent, demonstrating the precise power of modern demolition technology. Logging on the steep slopes of the Morgan Forest is a tough challenge. The John Deere 548 G3 works hard, climbing steep slopes, pulling heavy logs through the rugged terrain. The engine roars through the deep forest, creating a powerful and determined scene. Have you ever seen Ural 6x6 and Tatra 6x6 vehicles conquering winter terrain? Huge wheels crunching through deep snow, engines roaring in the cold. Spectacular, demonstrating incredible endurance and ability to conquer harsh terrain. Scania 1436x4. V8 timber truck roars loudly, pulling huge logs across the slippery forest road. The V8 engine is working at full capacity. The exhaust smoke is billowing. The scene is full of power, showing incredible strength and durability. There are many surprises behind. Watch the whole video. Kirovets K700 charges forward to challenge all opponents with a resounding roar. The giant wheels crush the mud. The engine shakes the ground. The scene is like a battle between steel and strength. Who will defeat who in this fierce confrontation? It's confrontation. It's confrontation.
Terrifying. The Gen's Hem 1000 DXL mobile chipper roars like a tornado, crushing everything in its path. Its razor-sharp blades slice through massive logs, turning them into chips in an instant. The machine's overwhelming power makes the job fast and incredibly efficient. Nothing can stand in the way of the monster duo, the CBI 6400 CT paired with the Senebogen 835. This massive machine roars as it grinds wood into tiny pieces. Its giant wheels spin fiercely, conquering any terrain and getting the job done with speed, power, and efficiency. Get ready to witness an incredible machine. The Extreme 80T wood splitter roars to life, unleashing massive pressure on each log. In seconds, huge trunks are split in half like matchsticks. With over 160,000 pounds of force, its raw power delivers jaw-dropping performance. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you think these machines help save time and labor. When it comes to logging in extreme conditions, the Lakatos roars with power, dragging massive logs across rough, slippery terrain. Its wheels churn through dirt and rocks, while the engine thunders through the mountains and forests. It's a loud, chaotic scene, dust flying everywhere, showcasing the incredible strength and fierce determination of this machine. In the world of heavy-duty forestry machines, the Logset 10H harvester, powered by a Sisu 84 CTA 8.4 engine with 299 horsepower, roars with authority. It handles large trees with speed and precision, its rotating saw blades slicing cleanly through trunks, creating a powerful and exact display of efficiency. I can't help but be amazed by the power of the Biter TS30 wood chipper. Its blades spin furiously, devouring massive tree trunks in seconds. Wood shatters and flies in every direction as the thunderous noise fills the air, a scene of sheer power and efficiency. Have you ever witnessed the raw power of a chainsaw in action? Its blade spins rapidly, tearing deep into massive tree trunks, with a roar that echoes through the forest. Chunks of timber crash to the ground, creating a wild and awe-inspiring spectacle. Kicking off a tough job deep in the forest, the Growy machine, with its powerful 268 horsepower engine and roaring winch, springs into action. A massive oak log is split in half by its tremendous pulling force, fibers cracking apart under the immense pressure. It's a fierce and captivating sight to behold. The Forest Forced 225 roars to life with its tungsten carbide-tipped hammer blades, tearing through dense underbrush with ease. Each powerful swing splits tree trunks and smashes through any obstacle in its path. Dust clouds rise into the air, a dramatic and powerful display deep in the wild. Watch the incredible technique in action. The powerful Liebherr LH22 industrial excavator effortlessly lifts and loads 11.8 meters of timber into the container. The machine's arm moves with precision and agility, creating an impressive and efficient performance, like a giant controlling everything in its path. Have you ever imagined a machine that can split wood without leaving the cabin? The Black Splitter model, S2X800, operates with power and precision, handling and splitting large logs with remarkable accuracy. Its rotating chrome cone allows the operator to control everything from the cabin, enhancing both comfort and productivity. This is truly a game changer in the timber industry. wood peeling machine operates with great power, handling wood with diameters ranging from 200 to 1400 millimeters. With its infinitely adjustable rotation speed and movement, along with an optical detection system, the machine precisely adjusts the bark thickness, delivering maximum efficiency during the peeling process. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're impressed by the power and stability of this truck. The wood saw is truly a monstrous machine when combined with the Comtech Chippo 8010C wood chipper. With its powerful roar, the chipper crushes each large log, creating a dramatic and impressive scene with exceptional performance. Nothing can stand in its way. It's hard to take your eyes off the X07 machine with its powerful saw blade working precisely to slice wood into fence posts. Equipped with a cross-cutting saw, the machine effortlessly handles large logs, creating a scene of strength and efficiency, making the wood cutting process quick and simple. Nothing can stop the power of the poultry. This autonomous machine operates with strength in even the harshest conditions. No matter how rough or slippery the terrain, it reliably transports wood through every challenge. With its ability to tackle tough landscapes, the poultry is a trusted choice in the forestry industry. Oh no! The overloaded truck, packed with heavy logs, hurtles down a slippery hill. The wheels struggle for grip, skidding uncontrollably before flipping over, sending logs scattering everywhere in a chaotic crash. The Maz 6x6 log truck roars across the snowy ground, its tire chains gripping the surface with relentless power. Each wheel spins fiercely, conquering slippery slopes and steep hills, while the logs in the truck bed sway with every powerful traction, making the journey a thrilling test of strength and stability.
По колено. Чё?
The Vermeer BC 2100 XL Arborman roars to life, devouring large branches with ease. The blade spins at incredible speed, processing entire trunks in an instant. Wood chips fly, and the tree disappears into the powerful hum of the machine, a precise, efficient, and impressive cutting performance. Don't hesitate to drop a comment with the number 1 if you're also captivated by the incredible power of these amazing machines. When the job demands power and absolute precision, the Dipper Fox SE 850 PRO with its 74 horsepower hydraulic engine roars to life, and its high-speed rotating blade quickly handles tree stumps. The large stumps are crushed in seconds, with dirt and debris flying. A compact machine with outstanding performance. The FAE biomass harvester roars like a beast through the dense forest. With its fiercely spinning cutting blade, it crushes branches and underbrush in an instant. The tremendous power and incredible efficiency make the forest seem to be devoured without mercy. When machinery power meets advanced technology, the DAF 180D paired with the John Deere 333G forms an incredibly powerful forestry crusher. Mounted on the excavator, the fast-spinning head swiftly processes trees and underbrush. Rocks and soil shake, and every obstacle is flattened, an astonishing work efficiency. With its robust design, the skid steer ASV-RT 120 easily maneuvers through tough terrain, handling tree cutting tasks efficiently and accurately. The powerful roar of the machine, combined with its sharp rotating blade, effortlessly cuts through each thick tree trunk. Moyotito appears in dramatic moments, charging down the slope with unstoppable power. The wheels crush through dirt and rocks, dust swirling in the air, and the machinery roars, creating a spectacular scene as it conquers even the toughest terrains. The Hittner EcoTrack 125 slides down rocky cliffs, its wheels cutting through the rugged terrain. Each massive log slides down like a whirlwind, the roar of the machine echoing in the stillness. The power overcomes every challenge, creating a scene full of strength and drama. Absolutely amazing. The Cat 966H wheel loader, with its powerful 250 horsepower engine, dives into work with unmatched strength. Its sturdy wheels grip the ground, swiftly lifting heavy loads. Designed to conquer any terrain, it's a reliable companion on every job site, showcasing pure power and efficiency. When power and technology combine, the Feller 15 inches sawmill mounted on the loader effortlessly slices through wood like it's nothing. The sharp saw blade quickly splits large logs into neat, manageable pieces. The powerful loader provides continuous support, ensuring efficient, non-stop work, making it a formidable tool in the field. The chainsaw roars to life, its sharp blade slicing through each log quickly and precisely. Large chunks of wood are split in an instant, with the sound of the machine echoing in the quiet air, delivering impressive work efficiency. It's truly impressive to witness the M300 grinder roar with power, cutting through large tree trunks, reducing the entire forest into smooth sawdust. The huge logs are shredded in an instant, dust clouds rising, creating a scene full of strength and remarkable efficiency. Under the fast-rotating blade, thick tree stumps gradually vanish into wood chips. With its 110 horsepower diesel engine, the stump-chipping NZ Stump Boss roars to life, tackling stubborn stumps with power and efficiency. Wow. The Zollarbor 2000 machine effortlessly pulls entire clusters of large trees from the ground. With a pulling force exceeding 44,000 pounds, it operates like a steel beast, making even the forest bow down in submission. When mechanical power meets the green forest, the sight is truly overwhelming. The John Deere 1470G H415 machine charges into the pine forest like a steel monster. Its mechanical arm swings the spinning saw blade with a roar, swiftly and precisely felling each towering pine tree. Elevating woodcutting skills to the level of art. The chainsaw, with its 42-inch bar, roars to life as its sharp blade cuts deeply into the massive 10-foot diameter cedar trunk. Each stroke is a perfect blend of expert technique and mechanical power, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Looking for maximum efficiency? The Moorbark Model 30 RXL sawmill, equipped with a powerful Cat C 271050 horsepower diesel engine, operates with remarkable strength, precisely and quickly processing recycled wood. Every cut is a perfect combination of power and outstanding performance. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're excited about these thrilling and fascinating wood transport journeys. Can you see it? The truck roars, hauling tons of wood up a slippery hill. The wheels spin furiously, gripping the road with intense focus. The engine's roar echoes, creating a breathtaking and dramatic scene of wood transportation in action. Oh no! The truck, loaded with timber, speeds toward the fragile wooden bridge. The creaking noise grows louder, then crash. The bridge can't withstand the weight and collapses in an instant. It's time for the ultimate chainsaw battle. The Ecolog 590D roars, shaking the entire forest as it charges into the final felling strike. The Kessler 28RH cutting head spins, gripping the tree trunk, and the saw blade screeches fiercely. A spectacular, powerful finish. This technology is truly impressive. The Rayco RG80 stump grinder, with its New River Revolution wheels, seems to have a blunt surface, yet it can devour a 36-inch oak stump in just 10 minutes. The power and efficiency of this machine leave spectators in awe and amazement. When technology is pushed to its limits, the Fecon StumpX faces a larger challenge than ever before. The slowly rotating grinding blade works with immense power, peeling away thick layers of wood mercilessly. A powerful mechanical performance begins. The brand new Svetruk TMF 2821 lumber handler is operating at full capacity, effortlessly lifting each massive log from the Volvo FH12's bed. As it lifts and spins with precision, the logs swing in mid-air as if weightless. An incredible display of strength and accuracy. The Remington Super 880 chainsaw with its powerful engine roars through the quiet space, easily slicing through logs as tough as steel. Each decisive cut shatters the wood under the machine's immense power, making the task quicker and easier than ever before. industrial journey full of drama is unfolding. The Logmax 7000 XT, mounted on the Tiger Cat 855, powers through every challenge. The saw blade roars as it cuts through massive trunks, with logs crashing to the ground like concrete blocks. The strength and efficiency of this duo make everything around them seem paralyzed as the machines keep advancing relentlessly. Working in the forest with tractors and heavy machinery is truly a tough challenge. Muddy, slippery roads demand that operators have extensive experience to navigate through obstacles, ensuring that the work progresses smoothly and on time. Wow! What an impressive sight! The powerful truck roars as it pulls the cable tight, yanking a massive tree stump out of the ground with sheer force. When power and technology blend seamlessly, the mighty Volvo FH16600, paired with the Faymanville trailer and Epsilon crane, works with precision to lift massive logs high into the air. Each smooth movement of the crane gracefully carries the enormous load over challenging terrains. The heavy-duty truck faces the slippery red clay hill, its engine roaring powerfully. tires spin furiously, gripping the ground tightly inch by inch, conquering the difficult terrain. Can it make it through? Leave a comment and keep watching to see the outcome. With its powerful engine, the Comtech Crambo root cutter operates with immense strength, its sharp blades tearing through each log. The engine roars, causing the entire forest to tremble as it slices through tough roots. This is a machine perfectly optimized for logging work. When faced with large logs, the DZT 8000 TKT rail-mounted drum grinder roars to life, its powerful engine running continuously. The sharp blades crush green waste from Myrtle Beach, turning it into fine wood chips, ready for recycling, delivering exceptional efficiency. Next up, the Z6000 grinder roars to life, its powerful engine working at full capacity. The sharp blades cut through each log, crushing them into fine wood chips, showcasing immense power and precision in every turn. Looking at this tough task, the Senebogen 870 excavator roars to life with its 240 kilowatts engine. With its long arm reaching out, it effortlessly lifts each heavy log and loads them into the cargo hold. The powerful engine and precise operation ensure the job is done quickly and efficiently. When faced with massive logs, the CBI Magnum 8400 DeBear wood chipper emerges as a colossal force, shredding through any obstacle. With its powerful engine and advanced wood processing technology, the machine runs smoothly and efficiently, ensuring quick and precise wood handling. Leave a comment if you're captivated by these impressive machines. the machine tears through large logs, cutting powerfully through each 20-foot piece of wood. The engine roars loudly as the sharp saw blade slices effortlessly through the tough wood. Each cut is strong and precise, creating a powerful and skillful display. It's truly a breakthrough. The 80 by 80 rotor screen with 50 small blades operates powerfully under the control of a 75 kilowatts engine. With a capacity of 7,716 8,818 pounds per hour, the blades spin rapidly, separating materials quickly, creating a powerful and efficient spectacle. For the toughest tasks, the worker begins to cut pieces from a 300-year-old oak tree. The chainsaw engine roars powerfully, its blades slicing through the tough wood, creating massive chunks of timber. The scene is full of strength and precision, honoring both nature and human skill. The M2030 machine tears through massive logs with incredible power. The engine roars and the sharp blade slices through the large timber swiftly and precisely. Each powerful cut creates perfect wood sections, showcasing the superiority of wood processing technology. Have you ever witnessed the power of the Zetor 7045 as it pulls a massive log through the forest? The engine roars, and the large wheels grip the ground firmly, pulling forcefully over the rugged terrain. It's an impressive sight, showcasing the superior power and endurance of the machine. Nothing can stop the truck as it hauls tons of wood up a steep mountain. The engine roars, powering through every obstacle. The wheels grip firmly on the steep terrain, effortlessly pulling each ton of wood, showcasing the truck's superior strength. Pulling timber with the AS 950 excavator up a steep incline, its engine roars powerfully as the wheels spin fiercely to conquer the tough terrain. Suddenly, the logs slip and roll down, creating a dramatic scene as the heavy logs crash violently into the ground. Like a wood-eating beast, the John Deere 7830 stump cutter and rotor S roar with power. The engine runs smoothly as the 47.2-inch drill bit spins rapidly, cutting through large tree stumps. Each cut is precise and forceful, creating an impressive and awe-inspiring spectacle. Nothing can stop this power. The Kraz off-road truck roars loudly, charging through rugged, muddy paths. The powerful engine surges forward as the massive wheels spin, pulling with strength to overcome every obstacle. It's a commanding sight, showcasing its ability to conquer any terrain. When the job demands power and efficiency, the SC850 Pro stands out with its powerful engine, roaring through the air. Its strong mechanical arm reaches out effortlessly, removing even the toughest stumps. Each stump removal is a testament to the strength and precision of cutting-edge technology. Witnessing the 13-foot stump grinder in action is truly impressive. The engine roars with power as the grinding blade spins rapidly, cutting deep into each large stump. With every turn, the machine swiftly removes the stumps, creating a scene full of strength and precision. It's unbelievable to watch the Volvo FH16 conquer an impossible incline. This powerful machine grips the road firmly, powering through the steep terrain with impressive speed. The engine roars with strength, and the wheels spin, delivering a performance full of power and endurance. Can you believe it? The Volvo timber truck climbs the extreme wall. Its wheels grip firmly on the slope, the engine roars, and every movement exudes power. The truck seems unstoppable, overcoming the harsh terrain challenges in a truly spectacular way. Epic! The timber truck speeds through the challenging cliffs and rugged paths. The wheels grip tightly to the rough terrain, moving slowly but steadily, carrying heavy logs over treacherous ground. A scene full of perseverance and raw power. The scene is truly impressive. The experienced operator skillfully maneuvers the heavy machinery, gently moving it onto the low loader. Every movement is precise to the millimeter, showcasing the operator's skill and intense focus, leaving no room for error.
Я так тоже заезжаю иногда.
Have you ever witnessed such an impressive sight? The Volvo EW 145B slowly moves, skillfully climbing onto the trailer with near-perfect precision. Each wheel is carefully controlled, showcasing the finesse and expert skill of the operator. Stunned by this power, the Komatsu WA900 and WA800 wheel loaders work in perfect harmony, performing excellently at the quarry. Their massive buckets dig deep into the rock, lifting heavy blocks with astonishing precision, creating a powerful and impressive scene. truly impressive to watch the bulldozer drop a massive boulder into the truck. The powerful impact causes the truck to rock violently, its wheels shaking. The sound of the collision echoes, creating a majestic scene that showcases the strength and precision of the machinery. It's truly terrifying to see the operator drive the excavator on such a deep cliff. One small mistake and the machine could plummet, causing serious consequences. The scene is tense. Every movement of the operator demands absolute focus in this perilous environment. Wood harvesting is truly an incredibly tough job. The truck driver must skillfully navigate through rugged, muddy roads. The scene is intense as the truck moves slowly, carrying heavy logs, facing potential risks. Don't hesitate. Drop a comment with the number 1 if you love these machines. The road is truly difficult and narrow. The truck driver must carefully control every inch, weaving through rocks and trees. Every move requires intense focus to avoid getting stuck and to ensure the safety of the cargo. A majestic scene as the Cummins QSK-19 powers through the Liebherr 984 quarry. The powerful Cummins QSK-19 engine, combined with the might of the Liebherr 984 excavator, creates an impressive performance. With each powerful dig, dust rises, showcasing the immense strength of this machine. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The Liebherr LTM 1508.1 crane, with its impressive lifting capacity and incredible maneuverability, soars high as it lifts massive loads into the sky. Its powerful engine and perfect precision deliver a flawless technical performance. With just a small misstep, the bulldozer slid down into the low ground, creating a tense scene. The machine stalled, its wheels gripping the earth, yet it couldn't escape. A dangerous incident highlighting the precision required in machinery operation. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The VTN CI 13000 hydraulic shear works powerfully, tearing apart every part of the scrap car. Its sharp blades extend, crushing metal with a terrifying sound, creating a scene of intense destruction. Mining in coal mines is full of risks. Large dump trucks carrying highly flammable coal sway on treacherous terrain. The tense scene is filled with dust clouds and the thunderous roar of engines as these machines navigate through the rugged landscape. With a single lift of the crane's arm, the entire structure of the old house collapses in an instant. Large chunks of wall crash down, dust fills the air, and the sound of metal clashing echoes. A powerful and precise display of demolition technology at its finest. Wow, beyond imagination. The giants of the marble quarry. The Komatsu WA 800 wheel loader and the Caterpillar 992D are powerfully at work, digging through massive stone blocks. Dust swirls up as they move over heavy piles of rock, creating a magnificent scene filled with raw power and precision. Witness this remarkable scene. The autonomous excavator slowly moves toward the low bed truck, its tracks gripping the steel floor tightly. Every movement is decisive and precise, showcasing incredible mechanical power and astonishing control. At the largest marble quarry in Europe, two massive machines, the Caterpillar 992D and Komatsu WA 900, are operating at full power. The buckets dig deep into the stone, with each heavy marble block being moved with immense force. If you're fascinated by these machines, leave a comment. No one expected the road to Viantoy to be this muddy. The trucks, weighed down, struggle to push through the thick mud, their wheels spinning as mud flies everywhere. Every meter of the road is a challenge, creating a breathtaking and dramatic struggle against the wild nature. Truly awe-inspiring mechanical power. The T800 bulldozer, along with the K700 and T130, work in unison to pull a 264,555-pound load across a tarp. The tracks carve into the ground, the engines roar, creating a fierce and powerful scene in the massive construction site. Have you ever seen machinery working on a steep slope? At the top of a high hill, the mini excavator skillfully installs drainage pipes. It has to carefully crawl down, turn around, and climb back up the slope to dig trenches, creating an impressive and precise technical display. Marvel at the mechanical precision down to every detail. The process of disassembling and relocating the 1,212,535-pound LTM 1,550 N all-terrain crane unfolds smoothly. Each massive part is handled with care, showcasing the perfect coordination between humans and machines. It's the kind of moment that keeps you glued to the screen. The mighty Tatra charges through the fierce flames, confidently overcoming the harsh challenge. The fire surges high, creating a breathtaking and heart-stopping scene. Can it lift the weight of history itself? The process of dismantling one of the two CC 2801 cranes from Dufour, Belgium, unfolds impressively. The massive machines are slowly disassembled piece by piece, showcasing the power and precision of mechanical technology. Amid the bustling space at ABB Ludwika, Kraftragarna impressively transports an 880,000-pound transformer using Big T. The massive machine moves slowly, carefully supporting the enormous load on the ground. A perfect combination of power and engineering, creating a truly impressive sight. The scene is intense. The heavy-duty crane suddenly malfunctioned after working at the Ronda pit, halting mid-air. Engineers rush in, conducting a thorough inspection, while the massive machine stands still, showcasing the complexity and challenges of the job. Three powerful machines play a key role in the technical landscape. The 74,957-pound marble truck carefully makes its way down the valley, with the massive stones securely placed on the truck bed. Every move requires precision, showcasing strength and flawless coordination. Amid the raging waves of an emergency, a Latvian truck is trapped in a ditch, creating a tense and challenging situation. Every rescue effort is carried out under tough conditions, as heavy machinery must work in unison to pull the vehicle from the deep trench. What unfolds is a battle of wits between man and nature. Oh, the drama. On the RN 134 in Ghan on July 16th, the roaring recovery crane truck surged onto the scene, restoring order amid the chaos. Its mechanical arm stretched out, locking firmly onto the stranded vehicle, setting the stage for a tense and breathless rescue operation. Truck driving skills at their finest. On the narrow, winding road leading to the construction site, the truck skillfully navigates the treacherous terrain, hauling heavy logs with ease. A flawless, unplanned move, yet full of confidence and precision. Impressive. 4 Cat 980 machines and a Volvo L350F simultaneously dig their jaws into massive marble boulders. The sheer weight and force compress the earth, making the ground tremble, creating a majestic and powerful scene deep within the quarry. Amid the bustling construction site, it's truly astonishing. The Krandienst Schultz MK 88 Plus mobile crane rises high above the site, operating smoothly to assist in assembling the components. Its arm swivels with precision, lifting each part accurately during the professional installation process.
December 2010, the ship was being used as the floating
Witness
home
the
of
breathtaking and dramatic moment
Ship
firsthand.
The Miss China, its engine long beyond her for the next 7 months, where any pollutants, fuel, and oil.
The massive excavator roars toward the scene, its powerful steel jaws ripping through the 67-foot hull of the Miss China.
Just north of the Route 6 swing bridge.
The sound of shattering metal echoes chillingly, marking a cold and impressive destruction.
The Miss China was a former shrimper built in the mid-60s. Its hull made of wood.
If you're also captivated by these machines, drop a number 1 in the comments.
Boy carefully plucked the boat's wheel off the boat for salvage. Destroying things left and right. I'm filming them right now, lifting the generator out of the ship's hold.
Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're excited about this amazing machine. Thanks to modern technology, the wood handling trailer operates powerfully and smoothly. unloading each long pine log from the vehicle. The hydraulic arm extends steadily, placing the logs into the grinder with the roar of the engine, kicking off a series of wood processing steps full of strength and precision. Take your wood processing to the next level with the powerful Morbark 3036 chipper. Equipped with a cabin, rail-mounted feed system, large wood chute, and the upgraded Morbark 250 feeder instead of the standard 180, this machine operates with a Cat 600 horsepower engine, reverse fan, work lights, and a rock protection system beneath the vehicle. Each solid log is processed swiftly, powerfully, and precisely, delivering exceptional performance in any condition. It's truly amazing to hear the powerful sound of the sawmill echo through the workspace. The DIY mini wood splitter mounted on the excavator operates decisively, with each log neatly split apart. The engine roars in harmony with the strong movement, creating a captivating scene full of energy. Nothing can beat the power of this machine. Another wood chipper with a hit ring roars with the engine's thunderous sound, effortlessly crushing each large log. The chipping ring spins rapidly, wood chips flying out in a cloud of dust, creating a powerful and impressive spectacle. With breakthrough technology and impressive processing capabilities, the MDL Power-Up 82,000 pounds Mega Split Pro delivers incredible power with every wood split. The engine roars as the splitting blade presses down with massive force, splitting even the thickest logs in an instant. Each operation is a mechanical performance of pure strength and precision. Have you ever thought that handling large logs could be easier? The Uniforce Titan 4020, circular saw with a 1,000 millimeter blade diameter, proves that it can. The powerful engine runs smoothly, slicing through large tree trunks quickly, precisely, and with immense force. Thanks to advanced technology and the engine's exceptional power, the Raver WD 1400 wood peeling machine performs with remarkable strength. It handles logs with diameters ranging from 8 to 55 inches with ease. The infinitely adjustable speed and movement control system ensures a steady work, peeling the wood perfectly with each precise rotation. Don't hesitate. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you want to upgrade your forestry operations. The John Deere 1470E, with its powerful engine and advanced saw technology, will boost work speed and efficiency, delivering absolute precision in every move. The Bandit chipper roars powerfully, tackling the challenge with maximum capacity as it processes Australian hardwood. The powerful engine runs continuously, with the chipper blades spinning smoothly, crushing each incredibly tough log. A cloud of dust rises, showcasing the machine's outstanding strength. When the job demands exceptional strength and efficiency, the VKR of 500 HK wood splitter roars as it connects with the wheel loader, excavator, and tractor. With the ability to handle wood with diameters ranging from 4 to 20 inches, it easily crushes each tough log. The 13-foot-long bed, with a capacity of up to 2.6 tons, creates a powerful and efficient scene in the workplace. The machinery begins cutting through the dense Y-mate fence. The saw blade spins rapidly, and each tree trunk topples with the sound of the wind being torn apart. Dust and debris fly up in a thick cloud, creating a powerful and commanding scene amidst nature. Designed to meet all the demands of timber harvesting, the Liebherr LH30 tracked excavator combined with the Telestufe T 4000 woodcutter forms a powerful duo. The engine roars, the cutting arm extends, and each large tree trunk is brought down swiftly with impressive precision. The roar of the engine echoes through the deep forest as the mechanical arms move powerfully and rhythmically. The Ponce Bear C6H8 charges into the challenge, cutting down massive trees with impressive power and precision, unveiling a world of mechanical might. The HDS Log Lift 251S forklift roars as it charges in, its crane arm extending smoothly, lifting large logs with precision. The sound of machinery echoes through nature, creating a powerful and precise wood transport scene with every move. When the job demands ultimate strength and endurance, the MTZ-82 roars with impressive winch power. Its dual wheels roll steadily over rugged terrain, pulling the durable MTZ Power 3 behind. A mechanical symphony echoes through the wild nature. Before the towering pine tree with a trunk circumference of 22 feet 8 inches, the Steel MS 880 chainsaw roars like a steel beast. Its sharp blade screams as it cuts through, each wood fiber splitting with the thunderous sound of the engine, marking the start of a powerful and precise felling performance.
Look at the 7-foot fur at the butt.
In harsh conditions, with snow covering the ground and the wind howling relentlessly, the 2005 Timco 475EX continues its tireless work. The engine roars. The saw blade digs deep into the tough wood, creating a scene of power and precision amidst the wild nature. Don't hesitate, leave a comment with the number 1 if you're impressed by the power and incredible efficiency of the Fecon Stump X. Machines like this are a true testament to the perfect combination of technology and real-world performance. A symphony of steel echoes through the mountains. The Axor 3,340 timber truck, fully loaded with logs from MT, moves steadily, its heavy wheels grinding along the steep road. The roar of the engine mixes with the sound of wood crashing, creating a powerful and mesmerizing industrial scene. This is how you battle on these harsh terrains, with pure power. The heavy machinery uses a winch to pull the timber truck through slippery, muddy, and challenging steep roads. A spectacular display of willpower and engineering in action. Nothing can stop this machine. Battling through swampy terrain and steep slopes, the machinery roars as it conquers deep mud and harsh inclines. Each traction grip, every track turn, proves its power, durability, and ability to overcome any terrain challenge. Truly impressive performance from this machine. The Haki Pilki 55 Pro processes firewood quickly and precisely. Each log is cut, split, and neatly stacked in no time. This is the power of modern technology in the wood processing industry. You'll be amazed by this sight. The grab hook mounted on the large shredder works in perfect harmony, lifting heavy logs and dropping them into the shredding chamber. The wood is quickly pulled in and shattered, a flawless display of power and technology working together. Unbelievable to witness this scene. The homemade chainsaw operates powerfully, with each precise cut shaping perfect pieces of wood. Inside the sawmill, The machines work in harmony, transforming raw logs into refined, impressive products. Let's meet the heavy-duty machine T40, a true warrior in the forest. With its powerful winch and massive shovel, it effortlessly handles 20 logs. The reliable 4x4 system helps the T40 conquer any terrain, ready for the toughest tasks ahead. The scene is truly chilling and grueling. The Timberjack 810B operates relentlessly in the winter forest, where thick snow covers everything. The powerful machine cuts through the freezing snow, handling heavy logs, showcasing its endurance in the harshest of environments. This is the true star of the construction site. The La Cruz hydraulic stump remover operates powerfully, effortlessly tearing through tough tree roots underground. With exceptional strength, the machine works quickly and precisely, making a difficult job seem easy. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The powerful yard truck is at work, unloading wood rapidly from the truck bed onto the ground. Heavy logs pile up high as the machinery operates with precision, delivering exceptional efficiency and speed. Performance between machinery and nature, truly mesmerizing. The 225E Timberjack moves silently yet powerfully, hauling heavy logs through the dense forest. The engine roars through the quiet space, its wheels rolling over the damp earth, showcasing unmatched strength and durability. The steel MS-261C operates powerfully, its sharp chain effortlessly slicing through the massive tree trunk. In an instant, the tree is uprooted and falls, creating a stunning sight where the power of the machine perfectly blends with the incredible skill of the operator. You'll be stunned by this sight. The helicopter circles above the dense forest, lifting massive logs into the air with a sturdy cable. The aerial logging scene is truly spectacular, combining cutting-edge technology with astonishing precision. You won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The Menzi Mach M540 harvester from Silva Pro is harvesting timber in Valais using a specialized cable system. This machine moves effortlessly on steep terrain, showcasing top-notch performance and flawless precision in every move. Captivating from the very first moment. Massive chainsaws, like the 3120 XP, MS881, and G888 dive into the super hard dry oak. The rumbling sound fills the air as the blades power through the wood, creating a stunning display of strength and durability. Do you dare to face this challenge? The wood-pulling performances take place in harsh conditions, where every movement carries potential danger. Logs roll, cables tighten, machines roar, creating a thrilling yet extremely tense scene. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you think the heavy-duty truck will conquer this challenge and conquer the red clay hill. Are you ready to feel the real power? The Scania R658x4 timber truck rolls with power on dusty roads. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The Awi RT800 faces one of the toughest challenges in the world, a giant tree stump. The powerful machine crushes through thick, tough wood, with the sound echoing, creating an impressive display of raw strength. challenging work environment, the Vale Products registered trademark tree saw mounted on the ASV RT 120 skid steer shines with incredible performance, effortlessly taking down massive trees in an instant. If you're also impressed by this machine, drop a number 1 in the comments. Your inspiration drives us to keep creating. Watch as this CBI 6800 BT devours a massive palm tree. The wood grinder operates powerfully, its fans spinning rapidly, sucking the huge trunk into the system. It's a powerful and impressive sight, showcasing the outstanding strength of this machine. You can't take your eyes off this perfect coordination. The Hitachi X215W works flawlessly with the Woody H60, creating an impressive scene on the job site. The EX215W digs steadily and deeply, while the Woody H60 quickly handles and moves the heavy logs, showcasing incredible strength and precision. The monster M300 makes everything look easy. This massive grinder operates powerfully, turning the entire forest into sawdust in just a few minutes. The machine roars, its blade spinning rapidly, creating an impressive sight full of strength and efficiency. The massive Vermeer wood chipper is truly impressive. With its powerful engine and sharp blade, it tears through large logs in the blink of an eye. Plumes of smoke and the roar of the machine create a majestic scene, full of strength and efficiency. Have you ever witnessed such a powerful machine? The Senebogen 870M, weighing between 176,000 to 198,000 pounds, is working tirelessly. The material handler skillfully loads the wood onto the truck, while the massive 12 cubic meter bucket unloads wood chips from the ship, showcasing the machine's incredible strength and precision. Honestly, this scene is impossible to look away from. The PTO Woodland Mills WG 24 stump grinder roars to life, tearing through stubborn stumps in an instant. The machine rumbles, its blade spinning rapidly, creating a powerful and impressive display of destruction. The massive crane perfectly combines with the precision of the Logmax 7000 XT on the Tiger Cat 855. Every movement of the machine is incredibly precise, each log lifted and moved gently, showcasing exceptional strength and finesse. Despite its outstanding power and high capacity, the Ural Polarnix wheels with the YAMZ 238 engine are still deeply stuck in thick mud. Mud splashes everywhere as the vehicle struggles to break free, the engine roaring through the harsh terrain, showcasing incredible perseverance and a spirit of conquest.
Запахом.
In the wild and extreme conditions, the John Deere 1110D struggles through the incredibly harsh mud, its wheels deeply sunk and nearly immobile. The engine roars, mud flying everywhere, creating a tense showdown between machine and nature. In the noisy atmosphere of the recycling yard, the CBI 5400 crushes wood waste powerfully and efficiently. Piles of wood debris are continuously scooped up, then fed into the grinding system. This scene truly showcases the impressive power of modern technology. amid the damp winter forest, the Timberjack 810B moves silently but powerfully into the thick woods. Its wheels grip the slippery ground firmly, precisely picking up each cold, wet log. The scene is both harsh and impressive, showcasing the machine's exceptional strength. Truly astonishing is the capability of this machine. The 180/90 Turbo DT stump grinder operates powerfully, effortlessly crushing stubborn tree stumps in an instant. Its strength and efficiency leave anyone who witnesses it in awe. With the chainsaw roaring, the lumberjack channels all his strength and skill, each sharp cut sinking deep into the massive cedar tree. The tree begins to tilt, then crashes down with a thunderous thud, creating a stunning fall. The lumberjack's skill leaves everyone holding their breath in anticipation. The operator demonstrates exceptional control while operating the John Deere 540H. In this tense display, the machine moves nimbly across the slopes, skillfully handling each massive log. Every turn, every step showcases absolute precision. What a spectacular sight. The massive timber truck, with its large frame and narrow wheels, is loaded with 52.5-foot long logs, rolling along the high mountain tracks. The Volvo FH 550 logging truck moves slowly down the Mont Guillaume Haute slope, showcasing its incredible power on this extreme terrain.
Unbelievable. Such terrifying power. Impressively, the durable Universal 651 tractor operates in deep forests, easily overcoming rough streams. With a powerful engine and impressive pulling capacity, the machine helps transport wood quickly and effectively in all difficult terrain conditions. a perfect tool for heavy-duty tasks. The car